Hey creatives and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Arifata Silva and I'll be really glad if you will take a moment and subscribe to my channel below, and while you subscribe, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I'm on YouTube. Okay, so there is a new intro song, and I'm really sorry that I didn't post a video on Thursday. That is today. Actually, I'm shooting this on Thursday. It's because yesterday I had my dentist appointment, and he have fixed my braces so tight that I wasn't able to talk properly or eat properly actually, and that is the reason I just didn't want to give the teeth and my gums a lot of pressure. That is the reason I didn't shoot, because I was going to shoot on Wednesday. Since I have my papers going from Monday, I started my exams have started. So yeah, and today I'm having a holiday, that is Thursday, and I thought that I'll shoot on Wednesday in the evening time and then I can put it on Thursday. But as a Huayne, I'm really sorry. This is Thursday and I'm shooting a video. I was really out of video ideas, but then I thought of this one. I had actually kept this idea for a bit later, but I thought that I cannot resist that idea, so I'm doing it finally. And tomorrow is Friday, so I'll be posting the video tomorrow. That is Friday. Students that you are watching right now. And secondly, I am keeping a schedule of posting my videos on Monday and Thursday, just because my dentist appointment was there. That is the reason I'm shooting this video. I'm putting the video on Friday. I'm really sorry. And yeah, so mostly the videos will be out on Monday and Thursday, and I am scheduling each and every video because I'm having my exams, and I am not sure as to what time will my exams get over and all that stuff. That is the reason I schedule it a day earlier, so that even you all will be knowing that yes, tomorrow new video is coming. So yeah, like that. So today's video is going to be a fun challenge. That is never have I ever, and also show a picture of. For those who don't know what is never have I ever and show a picture of, I'll just tell you guys what exactly it is. So never have I ever means a statement or a sentence is given, like have you ever broken a bone. So if you have, then you have to say I have, and if you have not, then never. I have never broken a bone, like that. Okay. So like that we are going to play never have I ever and show a picture of means. You all will be telling me that show me your funniest photo. So in my gallery, the funniest photo that I have to show it to you guys. Simple as that. So I had put a story on Instagram where you all have to give me never have I ever questions and show a picture of questions, and I am going to answer all of those. So we are going to do that, and it is going to be such a fun challenge. And as I showed you all, this is I have and this is I never have, like that. Okay. So yes, I have written all of my questions in my diary, and I have not wrote any of those in my, I have written it in the diary because I use my phone for shooting the videos. That is it. Without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So I have mixed all of the questions, like even the never have I ever and post a picture of our together because मुझे वो अलग अलग नहीं करना है. So first is a never have I ever question. Have you never have I ever chatted with a subscriber or a follower have um, been chatting with a subscriber. She's a girl and she's really very sweet. I love replying to her messages, and even some of you all message me the some of you put such sweet comments. So I really enjoy reading and replying to those. So yes, I have done it. And actually I love knowing that you all are loving my video. That is a really good thing. So I personally love texting you all back. So the next is, never have I ever had a crush on best friend's guy. Never. I never have. I never ever have. Like if my best friend is dating someone, then I will be the first one to ship them because they look always cute. So I never have had a crush on my best friend's guy. Never. Next question. Show a photo of your lock screen. So the photo that the lock screen is this one. I really love this photo. Like it, whenever I open my phone and I see this picture first, it just calms my heart, and it feels really good to see the photo always. Okay, so the next is fallen out of bed. Never have I ever fallen out of bed. I have, not once, not twice, many times. Many times I've fallen off the bed. I don't know, but I've fallen off. Yes, I have. Next is, never have I ever broken a bone. Never. I have never broken a bone. कभी भी नहीं हुआ. Like when I used to be in school, some students used to be like fractured accidents. They used to, I'm like, what do they actually do? Like they break a bone like just playing football and all. Like you have to be careful. How can you break a bone? Oh my god, this is just so. Okay, next. Never have I ever faked being sick. Never. I never have faked being sick because I used to love to go to school, and when I used to be sick, like actually sick, my mom used to tell me don't go to school. I'd be like, no, I have to go to school. I have my project. I have this, that. Like I used to love to go to school a lot. So yes. Next question. Show a photo of your wallpaper. Okay, my wallpaper photo is this one. I normally change the wallpaper photo like a month after a month something, but the lock screen is always the same. I don't change the lock screen photo, but the wallpaper I keep on changing it as I get new pictures. I change my wallpaper. So yes, this is my wallpaper. Next question. Never have I ever read an entire book in a day. Never. I'm not a book person. I don't really enjoy reading books. Like I can read books, but motivation नहीं है books read करने के लिए. And I had started this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. But then मेरा link टूट गया और सब कुछ चला गया. And I actually have to put a habit of start reading daily, like at least one page. But I'm not a book person, guys. I don't like to read books. Like kabhi it's okay, but not always. So no, I'm not. Kabhi bhi nahi hua. Next, like if it is like completed a season of series in a day, yes, I've done that. But books. Next is, never have I ever broke my phone. I have. Like when it thoda nahi tha, the thing was ki I had kept my phone on the sofa, not sofa, like a pillow type, रहता है ना sofa पे, like that. And then I was not doing that. I kept my phone on it and I moved the pillow and but that time I had a small phone. Like when I was small, I had a small phone, वो टूट गया था. I was so scared to pick it up. Like shit, टूट जाएगा तो नया फोन नहीं मिलेगा. And I picked it up and it was alright. Just cried and ऐसा. But I had not like पूरा ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ. Like a small scratch had come. I was so scared. And what I tell my parents, but no. So yes. Next, I have broken a phone. Okay. Next. बहुत never have I ever की बहुत questions है rather than a show a photo of. Okay. Next. Never have I ever robbed clothes. I have from my sister. I have robbed clothes. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने मेरे like I took it, I stole it from her and I kept it near me only. It's not like that. I returned it back to her. Okay. ऐसा permanently मेरे पास मैंने अभी तक नहीं रखा है because we share our clothes. So I have kind of robbed her clothes. So yes. Next question. Made a musically or TikTok. I miss TikTok so much. Like earlier it was musically and then it got to TikTok. I have like I used to spend my afternoons doing that. I used to enjoy making TikToks and all of that. Like I just don't know why did it even get banned. But never mind. But now Instagram are having reel features, so that is a I do make reels. So if you are not following me on Instagram, go and follow me here. I put reels most of the time. Yeah. So I have made a musically / TikTok. Next question. Recorded myself singing. I have recorded myself singing. Like when we sing, we feel like we are singer and all that vibes come automatically inside you. And I used to sing really bad, like really. I sing really bad, guys. Please, I really sing bad. And yes, so I have recorded myself singing. And then after I hear the recording, it is so bad. God, it's next, last show a photo of question. Your most embarrassing pic. This one. This is like embarrassing because I don't know why did I cut my hair like that. It was supposed to be a baby cut, but the problem was in school I used to tie 2 plaits. Okay, so वो bhang we used to put like this. So my hair had got habituated to that hairstyle so much that there used to be a automatic partition. I don't know how it used to be, but it used to be like that. And I used to be so. I don't know why did I even do that haircut. God. One haircut that I regret the most is this one. I regret. Why did I even do it? Oh. The next is last. Never have I ever question is. Never have I ever acted like someone else. I have acted like someone else because the thing is whenever we watch series and if you start loving a character in that series, you try to act like that person, you try to walk like that person and वो vibes हो जाता है. So that is the reason yes, I have pretended to act like someone else. So yes. So these were all of the never have I ever's and all of the show me a photo of, and I really enjoyed each and every one of it. Like to be very honest, I enjoy doing such challenges, but if I would have a friend with me or someone else, then it will be really good. But since the COVID cases are really increasing, that is the reason I don't invite any of my friends over. I just do one-on-one video. So that is the reason. So yeah, and the new video will be coming mostly by Monday or Tuesday. I don't know, but Monday is my last paper, so it might come on Tuesday or I don't know. But I will be premiering it. So yeah, you may get a hint that yeah, tomorrow video is coming, today video is coming, like that. So yes, and this was all. I really enjoyed shooting this, filming this, and I hope you all did. So if you loved my video, please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. And while you subscribe, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube. And thank you to all of those people who have texted me on my Instagram for the never have I ever questions and show a photo of. Thank you so much, and fun videos are coming on your way, so don't forget to subscribe at all, and I will see you guys next time. Ta-da!